I turned 18. Woo! Yeah, yay me, yay me. A few weeks ago, I turned 18, and you know what that means. I have to sign up for the selective services. Woo! Yeah! Draft, 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 draft. That got me thinking for a bit. If there was a draft, what branch of the military should I join? I initially was thinking the Air Force, because it's cool. They've got planes, and they go whee! And that's just kind of rad. But unfortunately, I've got these silly things, and while they do make me look incredibly handsome, they do stop me from piloting a plane ever in the military. Since I can't fly planes, I guess I'll have to settle for the Navy. Although if I do join the Navy, I'll probably rise to the rank of Admiral in a matter of years. I mean, look at me, I meet basically all of the qualifications. But unfortunately, being a major figure in the military is a lot of work. Who would have thought? So I thought, you know what? Let's automate the entire US Navy. Now, if you're familiar with naval combat, like I am, you will know that all Navy combat is basically just like Battleship, the board game. I made an AI to play Battleship. I mean, calling it an AI is a bit of a stretch, it just follows an algorithm and it's not very good. Starting the project, I had to choose a language, so I'd usually go with JavaScript. It's fairly reliable, it's pretty fast in its modern versions, and I know it very well. But unfortunately, I wanted to challenge myself, so I decided to go with C++. So I decided to do my first substantial project in C++ with Battleship. Might not have been the best choice. So let's hand it over to VoiceOver Josh, because he's a lot better at explaining the 2-month process that this had than I am. Sure thing, loser! First thing we need to do is set up the game loop and environment, which is super easy since it's all text-based. Boom! Done! Next we make a function to write matrices on top of each other at different locations and orientations, just like this. Next, we make a player object and a pointer to go with it. What's a pointer? Don't worry about it, because we have double editors open, baby! Woo! Look at that! Next step is to break stuff, and then break less stuff, and then break more stuff! And now we can place our ships. Don't worry about that little bit. The next step is to not record any more footage of the programming and testing process. And now all that's left is to make the actual algorithm that shoots at the ships, which is probably the more important part. So, after 2 months, I finally got the program done. Here's what it looks like. You can see me playing against the AI. Yeah, it's not very good, is it? Like, it's not awful, but I can beat it every time if I'm playing, like, trying. So let's have 2 of them fight each other. Now I've got them fighting each other, and that's certainly a lot more entertaining. They can't actually see what we're seeing. We can see, like, their, well, I guess they can't see at all. But they don't know where the other ships are, but we do. So that's nifty. So to do this Battleship algorithm, I had to do a bit of research. I actually went through maybe 2 or 3 different algorithms that I started trying to put together before this, but they both sucked, so I completely scrapped them and started on the new one. And I watched a Vsauce video and found a website. Well, wasn't that a little nifty program? United States Navy, I know you're watching. If you guys want to take this program, you can find it on my GitHub. This address right here. Well, that's enough of that. Just the 2 of us. We can make it if we try. Just the 2 of us. Just the 2 of us. Just the 2 of us. Building them castles in the sky. Just the 2 of us. You and I.